Here is a YouTube monetization trick that you need to be aware of. Yes, getting monetized when you're just getting started can be very frustrating, especially when you don't know what exactly is going on your YouTube channel. Yes, because the key thing there is getting views when you're just getting started can be very frustrating. However, I'm going to be breaking everything down, which is a continuation of the tutorial video I have started. I have given a brief intro on the first one. I'm going to be adding some extra things on this particular video. So do well to check the previous video and other videos in the channel. The bitter truth there is succeeding on this internet space is like trying to become a medical doctor. Yes, it's a whole lot of work, because when you are beginning to miss some of the kind of video I'm giving here, let me tell you the truth. Your case will be like somebody that is trying to become a medical doctor and you are skipping your lectures. And at the end of the day, you know what exactly means. You are going to end up killing people instead of actually solving their problem. So let's dive into it in detail for you to get to see. Yes, there are two ways to getting views on the internet space in general, especially when it comes to YouTube. You have the free method and you also have the paid method, which involve running ads. But before you get to this very stage, before we also move to this very stage of making you are going to be starting on the free method first, so that you understand what is working and then how you can boost it. That is the first thing you need to be aware of. So when you post your videos, on the analytics of the video, don't worry, it might not get so much traffic like this, but one thing you need to be aware of is, you see this lower part I'm showing you here. These are the key thing on how people get to discover your videos. If they are short videos, these short feeds matters a lot. We have YouTube search, we have other YouTube feature, then we have the browse feature. I'm going to be breaking these things down one after the other so that you understand exactly what is going on, so that you can take advantage of it. What we mean by YouTube short here, we mean these are videos that are in 9:16 format, which means they are in horizontal format. Just the way you're already aware, the kind of videos you see on TikTok, they are mostly in horizontal format. So they are refers to as short. Most of the time for the YouTube, they are usually less than 1 minute, but the time has been extended to beyond 1 minute. So I'm going to be showing you guys a dashboard here so that you get to see the clear difference of what I'm talking about. I'm going to be breaking it. Don't mind the adjustment in the screen. We still have our key point here. We have the YouTube short. So on your original YouTube channel, on your video, on your YouTube handle, when you load it, you get to see videos like this. These videos is referred to the home page. Let me show you exactly what it means by this home page. You can see this is the home page, that is YouTube home. So this YouTube home is talking about this particular browse feature that we are talking about here. So this is where this home is. When you scroll down, if I scroll down, you can see a couple of videos. You see shorts here too. You also see long video. So this is the home page. So this area affects your videos a lot. This is where you get to generate traffic, because as people get to see your videos, it's going to be appearing on their feeds like this for them to get to pick, which is this very one. Now the next one we have seen is the short. You can see samples of some shorts on this particular environment too. You can see them. These are short video. You can see the format of the shorts. Then if I click here, you can also come from this very point, or we'll pick this particular point. So that is it for this short environment, this very short environment I just showed you guys. The next point is we have the YouTube search. This YouTube search. What this YouTube search means is, when we come on this search bar at the top here and we decide to search for anything, let's say for example AI music, if I tap enter, you get to see it's going to bring a host of searches for me. So this is where we talk about SEO optimization. Your video title and the description have effect on this. They decide how your video will be ranked on this particular group of information that you are seeing here. So as you get to see, these are videos that are well optimized. When you go to their description, you get to see that they put extra description in their video so that people can easily search, because the internet knows much about text related content, because your videos are mostly pictures and audio, so it doesn't know videos and pictures, so it knows more of text. So that is why your videos will appear here when you go to search, when you have sufficient amount of text to tell the algorithm that yes, this is what the keywords that are in that it should be displayed in search environment for anyone that is searching. That is it for search. So we also have other features. These other features here we are referring to features such as, take for example, if I pick any video here, let's pick this video for example to watch. You get to see what I'm talking about here. So when you go to watch a video, let me make this in full. When you are watching a particular video of this nature, you get to see that there are other videos by this side. These are other features that we'll talk about. We'll talk about suggested videos. So these are what we call suggested videos. So these videos are videos that the YouTube algorithm identify as part of your niche. So it's going to suggest it to anyone that is watching a video of a particular niche. So for you to appear here, it means you need to title your video properly and then ensure you put keyword description in the video, so that when anybody is watching a particular kind of video, your video will also appear here. It increases the chances of people getting to watch your video by having proper thumbnails on it and other things that will make people watch it. So that is it for the suggested video. And when you watch a video to the end, we have what we call end screen. So whenever you watch a video to the end of the video, we have what you call end screen. This particular feature you are seeing here. What we mean by end screen is how you link your video so that people can watch other video of yours at the end. This is end screen. Then we also had this other feature which is called end card. Yes, they are similar. In the case of this end card, it is a text that will be shown at the end of the video so that those who are interested, you can watch the next video. It's a way of linking your videos together. So these are ways in which you get to generate views for your own content. So we also have other features such as playlist. You can see a host of playlists here on my own case where I have playlists of related content. This is to ensure that people pay attention to enjoy the series of videos you are bringing. So I believe you got to appreciate what we are talking about here now. So as time goes on, I'm going to be explaining a host of other things. I'm going to be putting up more information for you. So this is for content creation stage. Now we have seen the content creation stage in full. Now we have seen the text, we have seen other features. I'm going to be breaking down more things as time goes on. In the next subsequent video, we are going to be looking at all the other ways that you can explore to make money online, where we'll talk about the freelancing and other things, affiliate marketing, copywriting. So the list is going to be bombarded, so please do well to pay close attention. This is to ensure that you get high volume of value of information. You see, you need to know these things all, because at least if for no reason you decide to pick any particular niche, it's going to be very easy for you to narrow down, because you already have a broad knowledge. That is why you go to school. You don't go to school to just learn one thing and come out. So it's the same thing I'm actually giving you here, a full curriculum of everything that you need to know. So even the courses that some people are paying, you see, they are just narrowed down to a particular niche. So, but in this case, I want to explore every available option so that you become well equipped, so that you can make the best use of the internet space. So I believe you are beginning to see value in what I'm doing here, and don't forget to keep a date. More will be coming as we continue to break everything into pieces. So see you in my next video.